I saw a really cool thing on the internet, so I'm going to try it. Because I figure these things, cornstarch and hair conditioner, might be some things that you have around the house. And therefore you can make something to sculpt with. I've never tried this recipe before, so we'll see how it works. So, open up my cornstarch. I will need 2 parts of cornstarch, close enough. Gotta love smocks. And 1 part of conditioner. I'll mix it up. It's a little bit sticky, so I'm going to add some more cornstarch. Just a little bit. Alright, let's see how this works. It's kind of nice. See if we can do our usual sculpting. You take it apart. Oh, it comes apart pretty easy. It's a little floppy. So I think, if you try to make something that stands, it's going to kind of ooze down a little bit. But there we go. It's a perennial favorite, snowman. Everybody loves making a snowman. Let's see. Can I make a cylinder, I wonder? What if I make a pyramid? Or maybe a cone? You guys know I love ice cream cones. There's a cone shape. Put the ice cream on top. It is very floppy, but it does feel really cool. Now, I've got some food coloring here. I have some pink and some blue that I'm going to use. Just going to put maybe 1, 2, 3 drops. Obviously, you can put the food coloring in when you mix it in the bowl, but keeping it white is fine. And this is kind of fun. Get your hands a little funny colored. Has kind of a cool marbled effect, which will disappear as you keep working it. Let's do this one. So, I did this to the blue as well, but what do you think is going to happen if I mix the two together? Let's see. You see what's about to happen? It's getting a little marbled. Do you see a color starting to show up? And voila! Look what color I made. If you guessed purple, yay! You remembered. Alrighty, so this is the next day. I decided to get out the moon dough that I had kept in a container overnight. So It was still soft and still pliable, but it was a bit more brittle than it was the day before. I left some out as well, and it'll dry in a couple hours, and so if you wanted to make a sculpture that you could keep, then let it dry and you'll have your sculpture for however long it lasts. But it is fairly brittle even when it's dry, so it's not the strongest sculpting stuff. But yeah, it was fun to experiment with it. It was fun mixing the colors. You would have to make, if you went more than a couple days between uses, you'd have to make a new batch every time, just because it doesn't really last for very long. So anyway, if you do any experiments with this moon dough, then let me know. Share your experiences, share your art. Anyway, take care, have a good day, and I'll check in with you again soon.